Organizing fitness challenges with friends can make exercising more enjoyable and motivating. One idea is to start a step challenge, where everyone aims to reach a certain number of steps each day. Using fitness trackers or smartphone apps, you can track progress and encourage a bit of friendly competition. Another fun challenge is a monthly fitness challenge, where you focus on a different type of exercise each week. For example, one week might be dedicated to squats, another to push-ups, and another to planks. This variety keeps things interesting and helps work different muscle groups. You can also try a group training challenge, where you all commit to attending a specific number of workout classes or gym sessions together each week. This not only keeps you accountable, but also provides social support and makes the workouts more fun. A distance challenge, such as running or cycling a certain number of miles over a month, can also be very effective. Setting individual or team goals can add an element of competition and drive. A fitness scavenger hunt is another creative idea. Create a list of exercises or physical activities to complete, like doing a certain number of jumping jacks at a park or running to a specific landmark. The first person or team to complete all tasks wins a prize. This can be done in person or virtually, making it adaptable to different settings and schedules. Host a mini fitness competition, such as a mini triathlon or obstacle course, in a local park or backyard. Include activities like running, swimming, and cycling, or set up stations with different exercises. This can be a fun event for a weekend and can include family members as well. For a more relaxed challenge, try a yoga or meditation challenge where you commit to practicing daily for a month. Sharing your experiences and progress can help keep everyone motivated. Eating a balanced diet is key to maintaining a fit body, focusing on incorporating a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. Portion control is important, so try using smaller plates and being mindful of serving sizes to avoid overeating. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Planning and preparing meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute unhealthy options. Listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues is essential. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Incorporating a mix of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into each meal helps maintain energy levels and supports bodily functions. Reducing processed foods and added sugars can significantly improve the quality of your diet. Instead, opt for natural, nutrient-dense foods. Regularly including high-fiber foods can aid digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Finally, allowing yourself occasional treats can help you maintain a healthy relationship with food without feeling deprived.